Hi, if you haven't been in one of my leagues where you've used Stathead, let me give you a quick tutorial on it. So this is the Google Drive that you're on right now. You go to the listing tab and let's just say you're in episode 4, A New Hope. So I've put in here the link to the Kansas City hitters. So what I did here is put the dates. You can see here it's 77 to 83. These are all the players who played for the Kansas City Royals. The reason I do this is because if we just use the carded years, we wouldn't have a really good selection. And frankly, I would rather give you guys a choice rather than not. So you go down this list. I sorted it in order of wins above replacement. You can click on it. It'll sort it alphabetically if you want, or any way you want by home runs or whatever, OPS. So the idea then is you take a player like, let's pick one that's like Cookie Rojas, for example. If I look at Cookie Rojas, um, let me just bring it up here under mine. I guess I told you here which account I'm doing. So you do Cookie Rojas, and there's Cookie Rojas. He has a 64 and a 66 card. So the idea here is you can use either one of those cards for Cookie Rojas if you really wanted Cookie Rojas for whatever reason. And then you just add him to the team. And you do that as you go along. That's a very quick thing. Again, the idea is I want to have maximum selection of people who played in Kansas City between 77 and 83. I remember the Rojas and Patek connection there. Because again, otherwise there wouldn't be enough players to field a team. So if you have any questions, please message me at Bruce Milligan within SOM. Thanks.